first idiot of the night. I'm sure well, no, the policeman was the first idiot. That's the second. So who's going to make my number 3? Right, we're just rolling up to the second location. We stayed behind watching all the stuff going on with the super and the police, which means we're quite late to this one. So I don't think there'll be anywhere to park here. So we're going to roll in, see what it looks like, and then we might have to roll out and find a garage to park in. Or if I can find a place right on the end here somewhere, then we'll park up and see what goes on. But it's always a busy one here. It's a long narrow road with a roundabout at the end. But you get a lot of buses and lorries coming down here, so it's always busy. So let's just see what happens. Oh, fuck it.
Mama made it! Mama made it!
Right, so we've parked at the entrance. I managed to find a little space that wasn't a curb, so we've got the car up out the way and we're going to walk down here. There's a roundabout right at the end, as I said, which is where all the drifting goes on, but it's a dead end, so if you drive down here you're basically you've got to turn round, so you're best to park right at the end and then you can get out when you need to. So let's see what goes on down here. What do you reckon?
Let's go. I believe you.
You believe me?
Hey,
How you doing, brother? How you doing, man?
How you doing, man? You good, yeah?
Where you parking down here then?
Don't know, but I've got to sort the engine bay out.
It's a dead end down here, man.
I swear I've got a coolant leak. It's smoking and everything.
Have you?
I've been trying to keep up in a little eco booth. It's not possible.
No, because he was in his unmarked vehicle.
Yeah, but then he drove the suit. He drove off with the suit.
Right, so this place is gridlocked now. There's one police car rolled in. There's possibly another one just coming down now. But I think there's another location coming out, so we're going to head up to the car, which we parked up right by the entrance. So hopefully we can spin that round and get straight out. See, this is the problem. It's these big lorries. So we've just turned up at the third location. We were one of the first to leave, but it's already police in there. So some people might have come straight here when they couldn't get into the previous one, but it's shut down. So we're on the move again to another location. So I'm not sure how far it is. It's a 45-minute drive to the next one. So yeah, we're on the road again, and we'll see what happens. Right, so we've made it to, I think this is the fourth location now. We've managed to get a parking space. We was here the other night and we couldn't get parked. So we've managed to squeeze our car in. So we'll go up to the roundabout, have a film what's going on before we get moved on again. And this is probably going to be the last location for the night. So let's jump out now. I'm not sure if we're going to get moved on because we're blocking an entrance here. So we'll see what happens.
Try for so long, don't you? And then it's there, right, I give up. I'm wide in the front line.
So a good part warm now, isn't it?
That's it.
Well, there's loads of cars still here, but the roundabout's completely dead, so there's loads of people standing around, but I think don't know what I think, to be honest. Yeah, we're going to head off now because I think it's getting a bit quiet. There's people standing around, but there's just no cars, so there's no point hanging on for one or two cars. So we're going to head off, grab something to eat. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you guys soon.